So what is Simple Storage Service? Think of those three words: simple, storage, and service. If I start to look at the set of services that are given me by Amazon, we'll see that there are many, many differing ways in which they can be used. Some of these could be used for servers. I could have a web server sitting on them. I could use them to put my applications on. Some of the services could be used to send email. I could attach that to an application and then use it to receive and send email. Some of the services are to do with database. The big difference there is the databases sit in the cloud. S3 is about storage. It's about the ability to store as much data as you want in the cloud, kept secure, kept durable by Amazon, by their mechanisms, by their replication, and by their firewalls. As we'll see, S3 is made up of buckets, folders, and items. S3 then, the ability to store objects, items in the cloud by use of a simple service where I can upload, download, view, and change permissions on who can interact with those items.